Hello, dear friends, and a very warm welcome to World of English. I'm Ina.
And I'm Ali. It is a true pleasure to be with you all today. We hope you are feeling positive and ready to learn.
Elite, today we are discussing a challenge that many English learners face. It's not about grammar or vocabulary.
Is it about confidence, Ina?
Exactly. It's the idea that we must be perfect before we can speak. This perfection can feel like a heavy wall that stops us from starting.
So, our topic is simple but powerful. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to begin.
That's our message today. But before we help our listeners start their journey, we have a small request.
If you find this helpful, please support our channel by subscribing to World of English and giving this episode a like.
Your support helps us continue our work. Thank you. Now, Ailey, are you ready to begin?
I am ready, Ina. Let's start.
Let's first talk about why people wait to speak English. What do you think, Ailey?
I think many people are afraid. They are afraid of making a mistake. They think, if I speak, I might say the wrong word.
Yes, the fear of mistakes is very strong. But if we wait for perfect English, we will be waiting forever.
That is so true. It is like waiting to be a perfect cook before you ever make a meal. You would never eat.
A perfect example. We learn by doing. We improve by practicing. So how can we practice in a smart and effective way? Our first tip involves something many people already enjoy, watching videos.
I love watching videos, but how can I use them to learn?
The key is to watch short videos in English with English subtitles.
So, not in my own language?
Correct. This helps your brain connect the written word with the spoken sound. It builds your listening and reading skills together.
And short videos are good because they are not overwhelming.
Precisely. You can watch a 1-minute video 2 or 3 times. Find topics you enjoy, like science, nature, or daily life. This makes learning fun, not a chore.
What if I am learning alone? Is there a method that doesn't need a partner?
There is a wonderful method called self-talk. It means talking to yourself in English.
Talking to myself? But what should I say?
You describe what you are doing. For example, if you are in the kitchen, you can say, I am making tea. The water is hot. I am pouring the water into the cup.
So I'm narrating my own life? I am opening the door. I am walking to the car.
Exactly. Try it for just 30 seconds at a time. It forces your brain to think in English and find the words you need for your own life.
And if I don't know a word, I can look it up later. This is a great way to learn useful vocabulary.
This brings us to our next tip. Instead of learning random, difficult words, learn useful sentence frames.
Sentence frames, what are those?
They are simple sentence starters that you can use in many situations. For example, I usually.
Okay, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. Now, use the same frame with a different ending.
I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually take the bus to work.
You see, you just made 3 correct sentences very quickly. This builds confidence and helps you practice grammar naturally.
So I can practice with other frames like I like to or I'm going to.
Start with 2 or 3 minutes. But here is the challenge. Do not stop. Even if you make a mistake, keep reading.
Why is that important?
Because when we stop, we start to criticize ourselves. The goal is to build the habit of speaking continuously. It trains your mouth muscles and helps you get comfortable with the sound of your own voice in English.
So it's like exercise for my speaking.
Yes, you can read anything, a news article, a story, or even the script from our podcast. We have shared several simple but effective tips today. Let's review them quickly.
Tip 1. Watch short English videos with English subtitles.
Tip 2. Practice self-talk by describing your actions.
Tip 3. Learn useful sentence frames like I usually to build sentences easily.
Tip 4. Read out loud for a few minutes without stopping to build fluency.
The most important thing is to start. You do not need to do everything at once. Just pick one tip and try it today.
Before we finish, we have a question for you. Please tell us in the comments.
Which one of these tips will you try first? Will you try self-talk or watch a short video?
We love reading your comments and learning about your journey.
Thank you for listening. Remember, every small step is progress. You can do this.
We will see you in the next episode. Keep learning and speaking.
Goodbye, everyone.